So God created man in his own image. 131. Shabbat Shalom. 6 days I burn in exile skin, sparks and dust, knives and wind. A world of fracture, bread and thorns, iron prayers and concrete lungs. Every step a shattered name, every breath a broken flame. Angels count the scars I wear, time itself is split in pairs. Sun bleeds gold through prison sky, even demons close their eyes. The gate between the worlds goes thin, the sleeping kingdom wakes within. All the noise begins to kneel, engines choke, the clocks congeal. 6 directions bow as one, the war of days is almost done. I carried stones and weekday bone, built a throne for the unknown. Harvested my broken will, fed the beast, obeyed the mill. Ego king on paper ground, every tower burning down. But the seventh breath arrives and the serpent learns to die. A river of return at night, iron melts into pure light. Not in fire, deeper still, in a hush that bends my will. Every lie I called me, every cage I called free. The presence fills the room, even death inhales perfume. Exile ends inside the core, dust remembers what it's for. Lower world aligns above, judgment folds itself to love. On the seventh day, the crown descends, and the world remembers God. Seventh, crown descends. Six days hunted by the sun, every man a loaded gun. Time a whip, a butcher's hook, history a burning book. But tonight the blade is sheathed, even war is forced to breathe. Every spark that fell in shame finds its root, recalls its name. Table glows like ancient code, bread becomes a living road. Wine turns gravity to flame, liquid light inside my veins. Titans watch my armor fall, not in ruin, on my knees, learning how to cease. The seventh is not a day, it is the end of prey. It is the throne of why undone, the return of everyone. Upper crown, earthly ground, two lost worlds in perfect sound. What was torn in origin screams, stitches in a single dream. No buying, no becoming, no climbing, corpse of time. Just being a blade of light in mine. The beast in me goes blind, the crown in me aligns. 6 wars collapse inside one endless I am. On the seventh, and the world remembers God. Return. Remember. Return. And the world remembers God. Return. This is not escape from clay. This is clay that learns to pray. Even hell must rest tonight. Even shadows face the light. The poor become the host of kings. The mute world starts to sing. Every labor I perform finds its meaning in this form. Future leaks into the now, Redeemer, breath behind my brow. Every seventh is a shard of the world that's yet unmarred. I don't fix, I crown. I don't run, I bow. I don't fight, I rise out of multiplied eyes. 6 days I bled in borrowed skin. 7th, I remember who I've been. Dust wears crowns, the war is done. Night bows low to rising sun. 131, return complete. Creation home. Return. Remember,